Today we're going to be making some broccoli bites. We started with 4 cups of broccoli florets. We're going to chop them up really small. This is the hardest part of the whole recipe. You want to get them super tiny so they smush real well and mix real well with your ingredients. Now you can use a food processor, but it just takes a couple minutes to do this. Take me longer to clean the food processor. Now we're going to add all that broccoli. Make sure you get it all. Next, we have 2 large eggs that are at room temperature. 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese and 1 cup of cheddar cheese. 1 clove of minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. That is it. Now we're going to mix it all together. And get our lined baking sheet. And we're going to use our scooper. And we're going to scoop out about 1 tablespoon each. Don't worry about what it looks like because we have one last step. We're going to spray the bottom of our cup. And we're just going to smush them all. Make them flat.
You forgot one.
Oh. All right. Now you're going to put these in a preheated oven at 425 for 10 to 15 minutes. Now that our broccoli bites are in there, we're going to make a little sauce to go with it. So we're going to use about 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/4 teaspoon of powdered granulated garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Our last ingredient is ground cayenne red pepper. And we're gonna do just a touch, so maybe an eighth of a teaspoon. And that's it. While our broccoli bites are cooking, we'll mix this up and let it sit in the fridge and let it marinate for just a little bit so all these spices blend together in the sour cream. All right, y'all, we just took them out of the oven. It was 14 minutes, and now we're gonna let them cool before we pick them up. All right, y'all, it is time to try it. So here I'm gonna mix up our sauce a little bit more. I tasted it before we put it in the fridge, and that cayenne pepper really tasted yummy. And then we're just gonna pick these up. Yummy. Look how yummy that is. This is my lunch. This one looks the crispiest, so let's give it a try. That is so delicious. Now, if you have frozen broccoli, you can use frozen broccoli and chop it up. Just make sure you take all the excess moisture from the frozen part and use it there. Enjoy, y'all.